Here's lesson 8b2 on conjunction, disjunction, exclusive disjunction. This is the definition of exclusive disjunction that was taught on the last lesson. Exclusive disjunction is only when one of the propositions is true. The notation is the V with the line underneath it. How it is described is P or Q, but not both, or exactly one of P and Q. So here's an example. Sally ate cereal for breakfast. Proposition Q, Sally ate toast for breakfast. If you wanted to create a exclusive disjunction, how you would say that is Sally ate cereal or toast, but not both for breakfast. All right, the truth table. We had on the previous video the help sheet for truth tables with conjunction, disjunction, exclusive. This just focuses on the exclusive disjunction. So notice that you want only one of them to be true. So that is true. One of them to be true, and that's true. Notice the other two in column or row 1 is true and true, so exclusive disjunction would be false. False and false, then the disjunction would be false. So here's what it would look like as a Venn diagram. If P and Q are sets for proposition P and Q, then we're looking where one of P or Q. We're not looking for the overlap. We either want this one to be true or that one to be true, not both of them.